Hello friends, today we are discussing linear programming problem, 12th class topic, chapter number 12. Now what is the meaning of linear programming? See here, linear programming, in short we can say LP, technique which helps us to find the optimum solution for a given problem. Given problem means we will face some problems. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of optimum solution? Is best possible outcome. Best possible outcome we will discuss here with example. Okay. So wait. Linear programming problem. In short, we can say LPP. This is the main point, linear programming problem. In this chapter, we will discuss three types of problem. See, one by one here. Diet problem, manufacturing problem, and transportation problem. These first two, diet problem and manufacturing problems, are most important for board exam. Next, you will face this problem. Two types of problem, bounded and unbounded. There's a two types of question in this chapter. Some questions are related to bounded and some related to unbounded. We'll discuss one by one here. Firstly bounded and after that unbounded. Okay. Now next is structure and the formulation of LPP. First thing is understanding the given problems. Then convert to a LPP, means this is the formulation part, and solve it is called solution part. Listen, one by one. Understanding the given problem means in the second exercise there is some word problems are given. So firstly you have to understand the word problem, and after that you have to convert in the mathematical portion like this, and then solve by the graphical. So this is the sequence. Now in this exercise we will discuss some topics, but you will face some problems, so we will discuss here. Now we have already discussed this in the 11th class. This dotted line means less than equal to. It means this dotted line is not included the shaded region, and dark line means this line is also included in the shaded region, less than equal to or greater than equal to, like this. Now another point is x is greater than equal to 0 or y is greater than equal to 0. So graphical portion, x is greater than equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 or x is greater than 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. See, this is the y-axis. It means y-axis is included, and greater than 0 means this side, right side of y-axis. Second thing is y is greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0 means y equal to 0 or y is greater than 0. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. It means x-axis, and above the x-axis, this portion, this is right side of y-axis and above the x-axis. Okay, these two most important points. These 2 points are called non-negative constants. Non-negative constants means what? Non-negative means if we will discuss suppose diet problem or manufacturing problem or transportation problem. In manufacturing problem, we will take some quantities like cost of marker, cost of copy, cost of bag, and we know that cost cannot be negative. That's why the word is non-negative constant. Okay. Now I am explaining here one mathematical formation with explanation. See, this is the mathematical formation. Maximize z is equal to 4x plus y. Now this function is called objective function. Am I clear? Objective function. Now STC means subject to constraints. Constraints, or you can say in other words restrictions. Restriction means some foundations. Okay, So these are the two foundations. And last, you know very well, non-negative constraints. Clear? And the last one is shaded region. It means the visible region which is bounded by the constraints. Now, we are discussing linear programming. I have already explained to you a concept. Now, we will discuss the question. Now, example number 1 is solve the following LPP graphically. Now, this is called mathematical portion. Maximize z is equal to 4x plus y. This is called objective function. I have already explained it. STC means subject to constraints. These are two subject to constraints means foundations, and these two are called non-negative constraints. Now, firstly, take first subject to constraints. First constraint x plus y less than equal to 50. Suppose this is equation. Suppose this is equation for finding the points only. And suppose this is equation for 1. If we put y equal to 0, we will get x 50. If we are putting x equal to 0, we will get 50. Y equal to 50. Okay. These are the 2 points. Now, we have to check this line is towards origin or away from origin. So we have to put the points of origin. Coordinate. See 0 0. Now put 0 0 in this inequality. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is less than 50. 0 is less than 50 is correct. It means this statement is true. If a statement is true, then line is towards origin. In case of false, away from origin. Second constraint is 3x plus y less than equal to 90. Let 3x plus y is equal to 90. It's equation number 2. Similarly, you can find the two values. If you are putting y 0, you will get x 30, x 0, then y equal to 90. Put x equal to y equal to 0 again means x and y 0 means coordinates of the origin we have to put, and we have to check them if this origin is included in that area or not in the shaded area. Okay, this is also true. 0 is less than 90 is true. It means this line is also towards origin. After that, we have to draw one graph and scale as per your table. See. 50, 30, 90. So I am taking here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Now, first point is 50, 0, 0, 50. See here 50, 0, 0, 50. See this blue line. This is equal x plus y is equal to 50. Equation number 1. And see the arrows towards origin. Why? Because the statement is true. Second, 30 0, 30 0, 0 90, 0 90. See this line, second line, this 3x plus y is equal to 90. Again, see the arrows, see the arrows. Why? Because it's also true. It means towards origin. Now, main two important non-negative constraints. X is greater than or equal to 0 means right side of x-axis, see the arrows. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. See the arrows above x-axis. Now, after the arrows, you have to find a common region. See, this is the common region. This area, this shaded portion is the common region. That's why these are called corner points. 0, O, A, B and C. 0, 0, 30, 0, 20, 30 and C, 0, 50. In case, if you have any problem to find the coordinate of B, you can solve these two equations, 1 and 2. After solving these two equations, you will get the coordinate of B point. Now last is corner point method. CP means corner points. Put all 4 points 0, A, B, C. Okay, here. And important is Z. because we have to find the maximum z. So z is 4x plus 5. Now put here 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. In case we will find 120 in this case 110, and in this case 50. Now we have to find the maximum value. So maximum is 120. So 120, hence maximum value of z is 120 at a 30, 0. It means the value of x is 30 and y equal to 0. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now this is the bounded problem. This is bounded problem. In the next class, I will explain to you unbounded itself. Okay. Thank you very much.